Washington is officially out of Brian Robinson. That's right. In a move that shocked the NFL world, the Commanders have traded away their star running back. No warning, no leaks, nothing in the rumor mill. And honestly, it leaves fans scratching their heads wondering why. I mean, we're talking about a player who just delivered over 2,900 rushing yards and 20 touchdowns in 2 seasons. He was the heart of their run game, the engine that made their offense go, and now he's gone. Poof. Just like that. It's enough to make any football fan's head spin. Now, obviously, this move didn't happen in a vacuum. There's always a reason, a strategy, a plan behind these big decisions. And when it comes to Washington, well, their front office isn't exactly known for being the most communicative, which leaves us all left with a ton of questions. Where is Robinson going? Why did Washington let him go? And most importantly, what does this mean for the team's future? It is like they dealt away one of their best players without so much as a buy your leave, and the silence from the front office is deafening. It is making fans feel like they've been thrown into the deep end without knowing how to swim. The thing is, though, when you look beyond the shockwaves of this trade, it's hard not to think about what it means for the rest of the team. Washington's got some serious talent, but they're also facing some big challenges. And losing Robinson, well, it's just added fuel to the fire. The pressure is on. They need to make smart moves, find the right replacements, and keep their fans from jumping ship. This season has gone now be a wild ride, and the front office better have a game plan because Washington is at a crossroads. They could go down swinging, or they could crumble under the pressure. It's gonna be a fascinating watch. Speaking of fascinating watches, there's one player whose every move right now is under the microscope, Terry McLaurin. If you've been living under a rock, let me catch you up. Terry's the team's top receiver, the guy who hauled in over 6,000 receiving yards and 38 touchdowns in 6 seasons. He's been the heartbeat of this offense, the reliable star who came up clutch time and time again. But here's the catch. Terry is entering the final year of his contract, and he has been dropping some serious hints about his future with the team. He wants a new deal, a long-term deal, one that pays him like a top-tier receiver should. And let's be real, he's earned it. His numbers speak for themselves. But here's where things get tricky. Terry's contract negotiations have been nothing short of dramatic. It's been a cat and mouse game with the front office, a showdown between two sides who each want what they believe they deserve. Terry wants to be compensated like the elite receiver he is, while the team has been trying to hold on to their purse strings. And let's face it, they played hardball before. It's a classic tale of two sides who each want the best deal possible, but who are struggling to find common ground. Terry's not just any player. He's the type of talent that can make or break a team, and Washington knows it. Losing him would be like trying to navigate the NFL without a compass. But at the same time, they've got to keep their eye on the bottom line. Paying Terry what he wants could set them back financially, limit their flexibility, and potentially hinder their ability to build a strong team. With Brian Robinson now out of the picture, Terry's contract drama takes center stage. The fans are on the edge of their seats waiting for the next move. Will he stay or will he go? If he stays, what kind of deal will he sign? And if he goes, where will he land and how will Washington replace him? It's a roller coaster of emotions and speculation. Just when you think you've got it all figured out, there's another plot twist. It's enough to make your head spin. But here's the kicker. Amidst all the contract talks and trade rumors, Terry's been keeping his cards close to his chest. He's been dropping some cryptic tweets that have fans scratching their heads. One tweet reads, "Still en route," leaving fans wondering if he's still on the team or if he's headed somewhere else. Another tweet reads, "Trust the process." But whose process? Terry's, the team's, or the fans? It's a mind game, and Terry's playing it well. Let's not forget the role of assistant coach Cliff Kingsbury. He recently shared that communication with Terry has been limited, which only adds fuel to the fire. It's like he's keeping fans on their toes, never giving them a clear answer, never letting them settle into a comfortable narrative. And honestly, it's brilliant. Terry's got them all guessing, and that's a power move. If you enjoy this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because what's coming next? Even more drama, deeper analysis, and stories you won't hear anywhere else.